Good morning, students. In this session, I will solve some important exercise problems. Okay, see exercise 2.1. First question is, which of the following are sets? Okay, remember definition of set says set is a well-defined collection of objects. Here term well-defined is very important. Okay, remember this definition. We want well-defined collection, not collection, well-defined collection. Okay, see, first given a set is equal to 4 8 12. Okay, by observing this you can say that all these numbers are multiple of 4, right? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. You can say what's the next number. Okay, next number is 16, right? It follows some particular pattern, as well as it's a well defined collection is the multiple of 4. Okay, so first one is the example for set. See the second one, 10 6 8. Okay, numbers in the descending order is there from set to see 10 6 8. Then am, can you tell what's the next number? Here see some numbers given, some letters given. We can't define this set, right? Okay, this is collection of three numbers and two letters. Okay, it's not a well defined collection. We can't predict what the next number are like that. See here only numbers and letters given. We can't define this set. So this is not example for set. Okay, not a set. Then all good films. Okay, good films depends upon the people's opinion, right? So good films, it's a collection, it's not a well defined collection. If you ask different people, they will say different names. So all good films are not an example for set. Okay, it's not a set. Okay, whenever the adjective comes, good, bad, in, okay, most, like that, that time, see, all these are not an example for set. Then all interesting subjects. Here see word interesting is used. Okay, so this is not an example for set, not a set. Why? Because all interesting subject, that interest depends upon the students. Okay, you ask different students, they will say different subjects. Okay, so it's a collection, not a well defined collection. So it's not an example for set. See the next question, student of a particular college. This is an example for set. Okay, see, we're talking about a particular college, students of a college A. That means you're talking about students of college A only, right? Suppose 50 students are there, we are talking about that 50 students only. Okay, your word particular is used, right? So this is an example for set. Okay, just to remember, set is not the collection, set is the well defined collection of objects. See the next question. Represent the following in roster form and rule form. Okay. Word form is given. Set is defined in word. You need to write that set in roster form. That means you need to list the elements. And rule form. That means you need to write in the set builder form. See, first question is set of all even natural numbers less than 30. Okay. Take one set A is equal to set of all even natural numbers less than 30. What are the even natural numbers? It starts from 2, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to where? Okay, up to 30. You can put dash 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 because it follows particular pattern, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to 30. See, it's a roster form. Okay. Then you need to write it in the set builder form. It's easy to write in the set builder form. Just write set A is equal to set of all x on general element x, that x represents each element of the above set, such that x is even natural number less than 30. Okay, you can copy the above sentence itself, but you need to write it in the set notation. See the second question, set of all multiple of 3. Okay, set of all multiple of 3, you can write it as set A equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 up to where? Up to infinity. Okay, write it in the rule method. Set A is equal to set of all x such that x is a multiple of 3. Okay, x is a multiple of 3. So set a builder representation of rule form of the given set. See the next question. Set of all integers between minus 3 and plus 3. Okay, you need to write integers between minus 3 and plus 3. Take set A is equal to, okay, between means minus 3 is not included, plus 3 also not included. Okay, you need to take numbers between these two numbers. Okay, then what are the possibilities? Minus 2 is possible. Okay, then minus 1 0 1 2. Okay, this is the roster form. Okay, between minus 3 and plus 3, here see minus 3 is there, here 0 is there, here plus 3 is there in the numbers. Okay, between means from here to here it take numbers. Then minus 3 is not included because between is asked. Here see minus 2, here minus 1 0, here 1, here 2. Okay, you need to consider all these numbers. Okay, so it's a row star representation. Set builder form, set A is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x, x less than plus 3. Okay, that means your x, that means these numbers, right, they are between minus 3 and plus 3. X not equal to minus 3 but x greater than minus 3, x not equal to plus 3 but x less than 3. Okay, this is how to represent between minus 3 and plus 3. Okay, minus 3 is less than x but x is less than 3. That means you will get numbers between minus 3 and plus 3. Or you can write it in the sentence also. Set of all x, set A equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and x is between minus 3 and plus 3. Okay, this is also the set builder representation or rule form of the given set. Next, see set of prime numbers less than 20. Okay, set of prime numbers less than 20, you need to write. I'll take set A is equal to prime numbers. It starts from 2, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, 19. Okay, only this much. Okay, 2 3 5 7 13 17 19. Since you need to write the prime numbers. Okay, write it in the set builder form. You can copy the same sentence in the given question. Set A is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number and what's the condition? Where x is less than 20. Okay, this is a set builder representation. See the next questions. Write the following set in rule form. Okay, you need to write in the rule form. Here all in here see in all these questions roster form is given. You need to write in the rule form. Okay, here you can write, see first question A is equal to 4 8 12. We can write it as A is equal to set of all x such that x equal to 4 into n. That means multiple of 4 where n belongs to the natural numbers. Check this. We have 4n, then it's equal to 4. Second natural number n is equal to 2. 4n is there. That means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. N is equal to 3. What I will get? 4n, that means 4 into 3, 12. See, that gives the given set, right? 4 8 12 up to infinity. Infinitely many natural numbers are there, right? So whenever this type of numbers given, you can write a is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 4n multiple of 4, where very important condition, n belongs to natural numbers. Suppose you are taking n belongs to the integers, then see n is equal to minus 1, you will get minus 4, but minus 4 is not given, right? So you need to take n belongs to the natural numbers. Similarly here also you can write set b is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to, okay, it's equal to 6n, right? Okay, see 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18. Okay, so you can write x is equal to 6n, where n belongs to natural numbers. Then see 6 into 1 equal to 6, 6 into 2 is equal to 12, 16 into 3 is equal to 18, 6 into 4 it's equal to 24. See, n is equal to 1 first number, n is equal to 2 second number, n is equal to 3 third number, n is equal to 4 fourth number. All these numbers are in given set b, so you can write it as 6n, where n belongs to n. Next, c is equal to abcd is given. Set c is equal to abcd, you can write it as set c is equal to set of all x such that x is the first four letters of the English alphabet. Yes or no? 26 letters are there. What the first four letters? A, B, C, D, right? So set up all x such that x is the first four letters of the English alphabet. Okay, this is the rule representation of the given sets. Next question, see, write the following in roster form. Okay, you need to write the set in roster form. First question, see, A is equal to set of all x such that x is the letters of the word engineering. Word is given engineering, you need to write the letters. So A is equal to, what's the first letter? Here you can see E, N, G, comma, I. N is already used, right? E is already taken. Then R, then I is already written, N is already written, G is already written. So these are the possibilities. Okay, E N G I R. Okay, see here how many times E is there? Two times E is there. Okay, you need to write that E only one time, because while writing the set in a roster form, okay, repetition is not allowed generally. You can write, but while taking generally repetition is not allowed. Okay, so you need to write E only one time, G only one time, N and I only one time. Okay, so you will get E comma N comma G comma I comma R. Okay, see the second question. Set B is equal to all n such that n square minus 7n plus 12 equal to 0. You need to list all n values such that n square minus 7n plus 12 equal to 0. If you substitute n values in this equation, you need to get 0. See, consider the equation n square minus 7n plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, simplify this equation. This implies, see, here it's a quadratic equation, right? You may study it in your lower classes how to solve the quadratic equation. Adding how much you need to get? Adding minus 7 you need to get, but multiplying plus 12. Okay, what are the numbers? Adding minus 7 and multiplying plus 12, that is minus 3 and minus 4, right? Minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 4, it's equal to plus 12. Okay, so here you can write it as n square minus 3n minus 4n plus 12 equal to 0. Then n into n minus 3 minus 4 into n minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, just grouping this as one term and this as one term, then taking common term. See, n into n, n square minus 3 into n minus 3n, minus 4 into n minus 4n, minus into minus plus 4 3 is 12. Okay, you can write it as n minus 3 into n minus 4 equal to 0. This implies n is equal to plus 3 and n is equal to plus 4. So what are the possibilities? B is equal to first value n is equal to 3, second value n is equal to 4. Okay, these are the possibility for the given set. Okay, if you substitute n equal to 3, you will get 0. If you substitute n is equal to 4 here, again you will get the 0. That's a question asked. Write all possible values of n such that if you substitute n values in this equation, you need to get 0. By solving the equation, you are getting n is equal to 3 and 4. See the next question. Write all the subsets of the following. Okay. First question, see, set 5, 6, 7 is given. What are the possible subsets? We know first subset is empty set. Okay. Second subset is the given set, that is 5, 6, 7. Okay. What's the third set? You can write singleton 5, then singleton 6, then singleton 7. After that, you can write a set 5, 6, then set 6, 7, then set 5, 7. These are the possibilities, right? Okay. Again, no need to write 6, 5 because 5, 6 is equal to 6, 5 in set. 7, 6 also no need to write again, and 7, 5 also no need to write again. Okay, because 5, 7 is equal to 7, 5 in set. Okay, total how many elements? 3, 3, 6 plus 2. It's equal to 8 elements are there, right? So these are the possible subsets. See the second question. Set m comma n is given. Write the possible subsets. Empty set first. Empty set is the subset of every set. Then given set is the subset of itself. These are the two trivial subsets. Then write the next sets. You can write singleton m, then singleton n. Okay, only 4 possibility, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, because 2 elements are given. These are the possible subsets. See the next question. If set A is equal to 5, 6, 7, find P of A. What's the meaning of P of A? We need to calculate power set of A. What's the definition of power set? Power set is nothing but it's a set of all subsets. To write the power set, first write the subsets. Subsets is equal to, first subset is the empty set, second subset is the given set. Okay, then third subset you can write singleton 5, then singleton 6, then singleton 7, then set 5, 6, then set 6, 7, then set 5, 7. These are the possible subsets. Okay, next you need to write power set P of A. P of A is equal to set of all these subsets. Okay, you need to write all the subsets inside the flower bracket. Okay, so first empty set, given set 5, 6, 7, then singleton 5, singleton 6, singleton 7, then set 5, 6, then set 6, 7, and set 5, 7. Okay, these are the possible elements. So this is the answer for the given question. See the next question. If A has 4 elements, how many elements will P of A have? Okay, see, n of A is equal to 4. Question is, n of power set of A is equal to how much? Okay, in the last session I gave one formula, right? If n of A is equal to m, then n of P of A, number of elements in the power set of A, is equal to 2 to the power m. use that formula. See, n of a is equal to 4 is given, right? M is equal to 4 is given. Question is n of p of a, number of elements in the power set of a, is equal to 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means multiplying 2 4 times. Okay, then see, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are, it's equal to 16. Therefore answer is 16. Next, take one note, that is proper subset. We defined subset, right? What's the definition of subset? Okay, if every element A is an element of the set B, then we say that A is a subset of B. Okay, generally subset you are using this notation, A subset of B. A are equal to B also possible, right? Because A itself the one subset. Okay, then take the proper subset. Proper subset, that means if every element of A is an element of B and A is not equal to B, then A is called proper subset. A and is denoted by, okay, A is the proper subset of B. There is a difference in subset and proper subset. See, subset symbol are equal. Okay, subset equal is there, right? But here no equal sign. That time we call it as proper subset. Okay, very simple. See, set A is equal to 1 comma 2 is given. What are the subsets? Subsets is equal to first empty set, second one is the given set, then singleton 1 and singleton 2. Okay, then what are the proper subset? Proper subsets is equal to empty set. Here see, given set is not possible because see, A is equal to 1 to, it's a subset. Okay, but what's the condition? You need to write every subset and A is not equal to B. Okay, you need to remove the equal set. A equal to A, right? So you need to write all the subsets other than itself. So what are the possibility? Empty set, singleton 1 and singleton 2. These are the proper subset. Okay, if you write set 1 2, it is equal to given set A. See the question, if A is equal to 2 3 4, write the proper subset of A. First I will write the subsets. Subsets is equal to empty set, after that given set, then singleton 2, then singleton 3, then singleton 4, then you can take set 2 comma 3, then set 2 comma 4 and set 3 comma 4. These are the possible subsets. Now proper subsets. Proper subsets is equal to, say, you need to remove the equal set. It's a given set, right? Set 2 comma 3 comma 4, it's equal to A itself, right? Okay, remove this set and write the all other sets. So we'll get proper subsets is equal to empty set, singleton 2, singleton 3, then singleton 4, then set 2 comma 3, then set 2 comma 4 and set 3 comma 4. These are the values. Okay, these are some important exercise problems given in your textbook. Thank you, students.